Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng daily reading for Pisces sa araw na ito, okay? Alamin natin kung ano yung mga giging gabay, advice ng ating tarot card for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya ito, okay? So, reminder lang na ito ay general reading po. So, pwede pong mag-resonate, pwede pong hindi. And welcome po ang lahat ng gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, ay pwede po to sa lahat po, okay? Kahit sino yung nanonood, basta tugma sa'yo, take mo lang, okay? And this is a timeless reading. So, kahit anong araw, buwan, taon mo to napanood, basta tugma sa'yo, again, take lang. Pag hindi, wag pong ipilit. Okay, so, alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari. Mga gabay mensahe ng ating tarot card for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to. Mga gabay mensahe po, mga posibleng mangyari. There's a Four of Pentacles. Saving money, investment. Okay, Four of Pentacles, saving money, investment, budgeting. Pwede pong ganon. Okay. Kumbaga, you're spending your money, your finances, Pisces, in a right way. Okay? So, posibleng nag-i-invest ka. Posible ding meron ka pinag-iipunan. So, ayun. So, there's the Judgment card. Okay. Okay. So, meron tayo ditong Seven of Cups and King of Cups. Okay. So, posibleng you're dealing with someone, or ikaw to Pisces, si King of Cups, okay, masculine energy, or pwedeng you're dealing with masculine energy, okay? So, kahit sino ito, na kumbaga, this person is emotionally stable, mentally stable, okay, and she knows how to handle his or her emotion, and how to handle the situation, and also the finances, Pisces. Merong pinag-iipunan, okay? Merong ini-invest, okay? So, it's either yung investment na ito is merong connection sa emotion, okay? Or galing sa emosyon. Okay, meron siyang kagustuhan. Kaya siya nag-i-invest, kaya siya nag-iipon para dito. Okay, andun, yung pag-iipon na yun, yung pag-i-invest na yun, yung pagbabudget na yun is galing sa kagustuhan ng puso, Pisces. Okay, so meron kang inaasam-asam na pinag-iipunan or ini-invest mo, Pisces, or you're dealing with someone na ganito po, okay? And the Judgment and Seven of Cups, Seven of Cups kasi, it's either this is a dream, yun nga, parang pangarap, okay, or there's a life choices, okay, there's a lot of choices, pero ikaw yung napili, or ito yung napili mo, okay, kasi nakikita nyo, Pisces, there's a lot of prizes right here, okay, nakikita nyo, merong mga cups na nandito, and ayan, no, prizes, tapos meron siyang mga tickets, okay, there's a tickets right here, okay, so mamimili siya kung sino or ano yung pipiliin mo, Pisces, and meron kang napili, meron kang kumbaga fino-focus sa kung alin man dito, it's either a specific person, a bahay, mga investment like mga alahas, pwede pong ganon, or kahit ano yung nandito, Pisces, okay, so you're eyeing to something, Pisces, and ginagawan mo siya ng paraan para makuha ito. Okay? Or pwedeng you're dealing with someone na ikaw yung napili. Ikaw yung gusto. Kaya gagawin niya to. And everything na paggawa, pagplano, pag-invest, pag-budget, pag-save nito comes from the heart. Okay? Lahat ng nandito is galing sa puso, Pisces. Galing sa kagustuhan ng puso. Okay? So, it's either ikaw to, Pisces, or you're dealing with someone na masculine energy, or ikaw si masculine energy, si King of Cups. Ayan, no? This person is emotionally stable, financially stable, mentally stable, okay? And kung ano yung gusto, yun yung aabutin niya, Pisces, or yun yung aabutin mo. Okay? So, napaka-specific ng ating reading ngayon. So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino or ano po yung mga konektado. Letter Y, Pisces, pwedeng you're dealing with another water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And there's a calls, online, or phone. Letter Y. Ano pa? Letter D. V. Tattoo. Letter Z. Yan yung mga initials na lumalabas, Pisces. Pwedeng may tattoo ka or this person have a tattoo, or pwedeng tatawagan mo online or through phone. Okay, letter E. Meron tayo ditong lumabas na letter E. Ano pa? There's a scent. City. Kuha pa tayo ng isa. And P. Okay, so ang mga initials, Pisces, is P, Y, D, Z, V, and letter E. Okay, and yung mga random words na posibleng konektado dito is calls, online or phone, tattoo, scent, and city. Okay, so yun po ang ating reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan niyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay, so thank you, Pisces, and God bless!